The title Cure Your Dandruff in Just Rupees 185 might sound a bit clickbaity, I know, but it's not clickbait if it's true. Let's begin. So the product that I'm going to talk about is the Scalp Pro shampoo from Glenmark. Yes guys, the Scalp Pro and not Scalp Plus or the Pink Scalp. And this I am saying with experience and by reading the ingredient list. I feel that the Scalp Pro is the best shampoo if you have dry, flaky, itchy scalp and dandruff. I have just saved the last 2 empty bottles and I bought my new one for maintenance, and I have suffered from chronic dandruff for a lot of years. It wasn't very severe, but I do have oily scalp, so things can go wrong quickly. So I started using this product and I have gotten great results. My scalp is little less greasy, I don't have dandruff, and I can wash my hair in like 4 days now instead of 3 days. That's great, right? So let's start the review. Now this one costs 185 for 100 ml and I'm so happy that this is so affordable. This is affordable, but there is a timetable that you need to follow if you want to cure your dandruff, because dandruff is a scalp disease, guys. So take it seriously. You can't just use this shampoo and then leave it and use it and leave it irregularly. You need to follow a schedule and then maintenance as well, okay? So this is a antifungal shampoo because dandruff is a fungal disease. First of all, you need to understand that you have dandruff and you don't have scalp psoriasis or dry scalp in general, because if you have those, then this is not going to work. The treatment for that is totally different. So first identify and see if you have dandruff, and if you know for sure that you have dandruff, then you can start using this product. Now the schedule that you should follow when you use the Scalp Pro shampoo is, to begin with, you need to use the shampoo once in 3 days. You need to wash your hair with this, and then you can use it every alternate wash, so once in 6 days. So first start with once in 3 days and do it for 4 weeks straight, so that becomes like every wash you need to use the shampoo, because I usually used to wash once in 3 days. So once in 3 days for 4 weeks. Then after the 4-week mark, you can start using it once in 6 days, so that is every alternate wash. That again I did it for 4 weeks. After like the 8-week mark, you can start using it once in 15 days. Right now I'm at a point where I'm using this once in 15 days or 2 to 3 times in a month, depending on how greasy my scalp feels, but not more than that. So this once in 15 days is actually helping me with the maintenance. I don't get greasy scalp, I do not have a lot of build up, and I also do not have any dandruff flakiness on my scalp, which is great. So this has actually helped me, but you need to follow the schedule. You need to follow the weaning process, and all the antifungal products usually have this weaning process. So please follow that and see that you're not very irregular with it, and this will definitely work for you. However, if you have chronic seborrheic dermatitis, then I would recommend going to a dermat, because these OTCs will not work for you, as these are not prescription products, right? So the strength also is less, and I know people for whom dermats have given oral antifungal also because of the level of seborrheic dermatitis they had with dandruff. So if you think your case is a bit severe, then consider going to a trichologist or a dermatologist for this, okay? Now this product has Climbazone, ZPTO and Pyroxone Olamine. All of these are antifungal, and they help to reduce the fungal infection and also help in the inflammation and with the flakiness that happens on your scalp. And these three work together to get rid of the fungus that is sitting on your scalp, and that is how it actually works on your scalp. It also has a conditioning base. However, you need to use a conditioner after this shampoo, because otherwise hair will go bone dry. They say that this product will not dry out your hair. It has a conditioning base, but my personal experience has been that if I do not use a conditioner after the shampoo, my hair will go really dry and frizzy. So remember, after the shampoo, use a good conditioner. You can maybe use a hair mask once in a while to just bring in all the nourishment, because this dries out your hair definitely. Now let's come to the directions for use. This product should be used as a shampoo. So wet your hair, put on this shampoo, lather it nicely, keep it on your scalp for nice 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse it off and use a conditioner to finish your hair routine. And there you are. This is how you use the shampoo. And please follow the schedule. In first 3-4 washes only you will see a clear result, and you would actually see that there is less build-up on your scalp, dandruff reduces, and I'm sure that you guys will be happy, because me, my mom, we both have used this and we both love it. We have like stocked this shampoo in our vanity. Now there are a few lifestyle changes that you will have to make, just like if you want to treat pimples, and those are the things that I'm going to share on my community post and Instagram. I'm going to make a post, so please look at that and take a few pointers and do those changes to get rid of this dandruff permanently, because dandruff can cause so many pimples on your hairline, on your back, neck. It's very annoying. You can also get fungal acne or fungal infection on your face because of the dandruff. So it's best if you get rid of the dandruff as soon as possible, okay? So please try the Scalp Pro. I mean, there are many types of scalps actually, but the Scalp Pro actually worked best for me. Please use this and also give me your feedback. Tell me how this has worked for you, okay? And that's it. Until next time, bye.